This is the Elastic Laces no tie lacing system, and I think this thing is absolutely awesome. It's perfect for seniors, somebody my age, kids, and pretty much anyone else that just wants to be able to slip on their shoes. It comes in a resealable bag, which I didn't think I was going to need, but it turns out I did need it, so that was kind of cool. You get a set of instructions, you get 3 laces, and you get 5 of these little plastic things right here that end up right here on the end of your laces. And I'll show you what I did with this because I'm kind of weird about this kind of stuff, and I did a good job. You know, they're stretchy elastic laces, but even without the elastic, they are 44 inches long, so they'll fit almost any shoe. And as a matter of fact, since they sent me 3 laces, I was able to actually use 1 lace for these particular shoes that only had 6 holes. I actually cut it in half and used just 1 lace for most of these shoes, so it worked out perfect. The way this works, you get 5 of these little guys too, and on each side of this, one side is actually smaller than the other side, and what's going to happen is you're going to tie a knot on this, and the knot's going to go inside of the hole. I actually used a lighter to singe this down so I could get it on here. So you're going to want to put the lace originally through the small side first, and when you do that, it creates a little bit of tension right there. So it's kind of cool. Just hangs out right there. Pull the lace out here, stretch it, get it into a little spot, kind of wrap it around like this, and then lace it through. And once you've done that, you can kind of move it down into that position right there. Pull it as tight as you can. If you need to get a little more on there, and you can see after I pulled this tight, it actually goes inside of that hole right there. And the knot itself disappears, and you take some scissors and you cut that off right there. The knot vanishes inside of here. And what I've actually done is I took a black Sharpie and colored this in so that it's all black with my shoes. And it worked great. And I think these things are awesome. And I'm gonna get a couple more for my other shoes.